All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Ford Transit. It is the T-250 mid-roof, long wheelbase with 8,000 miles on this vehicle. Super nice. Best of all, minimum damage around the body, got power windows, power door locks, backup camera. Only 8,000 miles, your front bumper. Looks pretty darn decent. Your front hood looks good. Has a dent here with some paint off. This fender here does have a stress cracking. It looks like about 3 inches there. It's got a your front driver's steel wheel. Check out your tire thread. Just under 730 seconds above Ford. This door looks pretty good. This quarter looks okay. It does have a dent there, another one there, another one there. That's about it. Here's your rear passenger rim. Your tire thread is over 730 seconds. It's got some dents here. Another one here. That actually continues up here. That's about it. I showed you these here. And a couple more things on top. All right. Car power windows, power door locks. We're going to call this frame because some, I believe this broke off of that. So here we are. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one. So we are calling it frame because of that. All right, does come with the 1 key fob combo and owner's manual. Let's check out pictures for more details. Of course, you got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good. I'm sorry, AM, FM stereo system. No CD, no Onyx. Got your your AC controls are down below. Got your backup camera. Boom. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for tire pressure and your mileage of 26. What the hell? But I think it was 8,000 miles. I see. So 26,225 is the mileage, not 8,000 miles as I stated before. Go to the nipple. Alright, coming back around. Got some scuffing here on the rear corner there. This door looks pretty good. Does have a little button here which swings this out all the way. Boom. Very nice. The cargo area looks like very nice, big, and spacious. It's of course real well moldings on both sides. I wanted to show you that. So of course what one of your doors looks like from the inside. Looks good. The paneling looks good. It looks good. Likewise here, I apologize. Likewise here, your paneling looks pretty good. It does have a dent here, just so. That would look good. I'm gonna go get the ladder. I'll go up there. So coming around, we got a dent here. One on the door. So on the door and on the roof right here, the rest of it looks pretty good. All right. The rest of it looks good. Quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Tire thread, just under 730 seconds. Double checking it. Yep, just under 730 seconds. Got some scuffing here. Your door has a dent here. And another one here, and here. They're very shallow dents. So in other words, maybe like they were opening and there was some tree limbs or something like that. Your side cargo area looks good. Like I said before, all this has to be cleaned. It'll look much better. This door looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, and rips to that. Front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger rim. And your tire thread. This over 730 seconds. Looks like this fender might have suffered a small hit here, and that's why it's not connected to your front fascia. Not sure. I just wanted to show you guys that, or maybe it took a hit here and that's why it's not connected, because there's some scuffing here. All right, so that's what it is. All right, folks, once again, this is a 2018 Ford Transit T-250 mid-roof long wheelbase with 26,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.